3, 2, 1. First things first, you get your car on jack stand. You're going to remove this plastic tray, which you can get off with a little flathead. Drain your radiator fluid by removing this plug.
Remove the cap to release the pressure. Remove your radiator stays using a 4mm Allen. Remove your intake, and don't forget any of the hoses. Remove the top radiator hose.
It's not like we have to put it in.
Remove the bottom radiator hose too. Remove both of the sensors from the fans. Remove the radiator. Remove all 5 Phillips heads from the fans. Remove the temperature sensor from your old radiator. If you have an AP1, remove the adapter from your new radiator and install your new temperature sensor. Replace the fans onto your new radiator. Place your new radiator in. Put your radiator stays on your new radiator. Replace the hoses. Don't forget the connectors on each fan. Reinstall your intake. Fill up your new radiator. I recommend using the Honda Type 2 coolant, but any silicate-free coolant will work. I ended up using Peak. Bleed the system of air by opening the bleeder valve near the front of the valve cover. Press on the top hose, but don't release it until you've closed the valve back up, or you will be introducing new air into the system.